Welcome back to Smart Boy, everyone. And today we're going to be doing a service wash on this washing machine. And this all takes like a couple of minutes. It doesn't take that quick. So we're going to be doing a service wash, and this is going to be on the test mode as well on the WMDF612W. And this is actually going to be quick. But guys, um, I got this from YouTube, and I want to like test it out. And people say this is engineering only, and I've seen it, and it quite is actually engineering only. But there is a secret way where you can do a test wash. So you just need to turn that this dial to 90, then quickly press the dial timer button, and then it should start. There we go, just locked door. There we go. It just gonna rinse, and then it's just gonna spin around. So it's just doing like a 1200 spin test mode, and then should go down in a minute. So it's rinsing in here, and it just stopped spinning. So now it just stopped. So now it's just having a little spin test mode of wash, doing it to the left, and now it's doing to the right. And now that says end now, and it's just adding some water as well. Okay, so it's now doing it's just testing the heat now, and it should start draining in a minute. Just need to give it a little bit of time. And you probably wonder, I haven't got the torch, guys, because on my torch, it hasn't got any more battery left, so I'm kind of charging it right now, but I haven't got my flashlight because it's run out of battery, and guys, by the others flashlights, I actually threw them away because I knew that they were rubbish, so I started using that new golden one now, and so it should start draining in a minute. So just give it just a little bit to give it a bit more time until it starts draining. It's just doing a heat test mode, and then it should drain, and then that will be end. Okay, Smarties, a couple of minutes went by and this started draining afterwards. I was upset because I needed to have number one. So I came back down and all this water just drained out, and I think then just had like a heat test for like a couple of minutes, and then it drained, and that's pretty much all is to it, guys. So once it after it drained, it just stopped the washing machine now. So and also, guys, if you're doing a heat test, you can't press any of these buttons because these buttons don't do anything. So anyway, if you like watching that heat test video, please subscribe to my channel. And the door just unlocked. I just stopped it. Also like to say thank you very much for 200 subscribers. Our next goal is 300.